General rule prohibited, no? Yung engagement. Because yun nga, dapat pabayaan nyo sila. Do not engage. Exceptions is or are actual violence, serious threats, deliberate destruction of property. So these are tools of last resort. So here, what you will do if there is actually this is already clear and present danger. But here, mas specific siya, actual violence, serious threats, deliberate destruction of property. Sinusunog na yung tindahan, yung hardware. So, but these are tools of last resort. Hindi ito yung first option nyo. Kasi you're required to exercise maximum tolerance. Maximum tolerance is for the benefit of rallyists and not the government. Cannot be dispersed unless it becomes violent. Most of the time, walang absolute rule. Talagang meron palaging exceptions. So, you have to take note, even without a permit, if the assembly is in a freedom park or private property, no permit is required.